What to do, friendos? Yeah, you like the room? Look at this shit for VR. Hold on, this is my gamer chair. Yeah, $600 chair. It's happening. No, actually, what's gonna happen is I'm just gonna buy Ava's chair off her because she doesn't like her chair. All right, I live with people now. I'm gonna be living with fucking Avanera and Zabson. We've got this shit going on. We have the fucking tripod with a Razer Kiyo on it. I have always had this. It's you guys. Look at the jackasses. Fuck those guys. This is a party table. This is a fucking party table right now. Look how wobbly that shit is. I'm gonna like mildly move the desk. Look at that. Look at that. That's disgusting. Oh no, it's already starting. What do you want, Ava? Get out of my room.
No. I will if you want me to.
You don't have to. Dude, let me get this straight. You're not gonna help me build the desk.
No.
You're gonna watch me fail, and just sit there knowing. So for the record, all right. For the record, she knows how to build this desk.
I absolutely know how to
This is the same desk that she built. Ava, you gonna sit down over there just barely out of view?
I'm gonna come. I'll come to you. Hello, everyone.
All right, listen. Enough pre-desk foreplay. I'm done having a party table as my desk. We're gonna build this fucking IKEA desk if it kills me.
Yeah, I'm sure are.
Holy shit, that's a lot of random stuff I've never seen before.
For context, I don't know if he told you, he has never put together IKEA furniture before.
Never. I have not once put together an IKEA piece of furniture. Is there not instructions for this? There's not instructions for this? Alright, you know what? We don't need instructions here. We're fine. I'm sure it's okay. Is it on the box? Is this a trick question? Am I stupid?
I know where it is.
What do you mean?
They're in the fucking box, asshole.
What box?
The box.
Upstairs? You fucker.
He didn't bring the instructions
Oh
down.
my fucking god.
I saw that it didn't happen when we were bringing all the stuff down. Hello, chat. This is now an Ava stream.
Step 1. Use a screwdriver. Use a screwdriver. Are there different heads? Are these the same? You laugh at me. I don't fucking know.
There are differences. Figure it out.
Okay, well, I figured it out. Because it's the design of the screw.
Yep.
Wait a minute. No, I didn't. It is these screws, not the other screws. Jesus fucking Christ. Why is this so difficult? Alright, step fucking 1. Step fucking 1. These two pieces.
Take off the flannel sweater.
Take off the flannel? You telling me to strip for you?
Chat says you are a cute girl.
Me?
Yeah.
Stop it. Did I fuck this up already?
Probably.
I don't know how this goes on there. What part does this go on? This goes on this side with the dots going like this. Is it the wrong side? Did I put them on the wrong side? The holes are all the same. What way does it go? It goes the other fucking way. It does.
You think all the holes are the same?
I sure hope so, Ava. What the fuck is this? On the outside? Oh, because there's already the 2. Oh! Oh, because there's already the 2 on that side. So these 2 are the center. This is not correct. Is this... How is this supposed to go in? Oh! Is it really supposed to be that way? No, that doesn't sound right.
How are you doing today?
That's because it's this way. Fuck, this is the other side. We're on step 9 now. Fuck, this thing? This side's the empty side. That side, okay, so I need to flip that onto this. I need that onto this. I need to flip it. And I need the open side to not have... Okay, so I'm like technically set up for this.
Yeah.
So I need to lift this portion onto that. There's no way this is light. Who designed this? Oh my fucking... It just wants me to lift this? Hey, can you slide that further to the... Thank you. So it wants me to line this up like this. Alright, hold on. Watch out, watch your leg, watch your leg, watch your leg, watch out.
I'm good.
Dude, this is just like ass fan service for chat at this point. You think I haven't had good sex? There's so many jokes I could make off. Yes! Sorry. I got it. Oh my god, it has to go all the way in there? But that's so deep. There's no way this will fit all the way back there. Are you kidding me? What kind of length do you think I've got? Dude, I'm doing it. I'm fucking doing it.
Hell yeah.
Uh-oh. No fucking way.
For context, if he doesn't fix this, he can't put this part of the desk together.
There's no fucking way this thing's designed to go in and never come out.
Well, I didn't fuck it up.
I don't like that tone.
Wait a minute.
How did I get this in here? Pa!
This is what he's saying.
Stupid.
And he's struggling to figure out how to put those round things in a round hole.
Where are the big round holes that fit these?
I wonder where they might be.
Is it on your side? The instruction shows a single wood panel.
Yep.
Does it want me to put it on these and slide it down? Because those don't
Not
fit
at
like
all.
that.
Of course not. That would be ridiculous.
Why are you not just looking at me?
I'm waiting for you to figure it out. It's not that hard.
There's no holes on this side!
There are holes that
How?
are exactly
The
the
instructions
Not even a fun
literally
thing.
shows
I know.
that I should put these
Yeah.
size in a hole.
So go find.
There's no hole big enough. Look,
You had-
the only holes I see are this right here. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure this out. Hold this, please.
You got a 7 for perception.
That's another piece. That's another fucking piece.
Oh.
Trade the water bottle for the piece.
$1 per word.
$1 per word TTS. Hey, can I have the wrench, please?
Step 16 into S, guys. My points.
Thanks. That's. Oh my god, I said wrench. Hey, can I have the screwdriver?
Duck
Can you roll
roll.
that for me?
There you go.
Ava! Ah! Stop throwing shit at me. Now I see they curve. They curve in the direction you want them to go. How am I so bad at this?
I don't know.
I mean, the way you look at me. Fuck! Go in the hole!
I will
Why is it
happily
so
go.
difficult?
I will happily go to Olive Garden with you.
Go in the fucking hole!
Absolutely.
God, it won't fucking fit. It's too big. Hold on.
They're
Last
super
last step.
You mean
Put
like
nail on corner, hammer. It wants me to just free hammer this shit in.
You don't need those actually. But yeah, you.
Well, I'm on
Free
carpet.
hammer.
I don't need these, right? These are sliders.
Yeah.
Fuck that shit. So we're
Can I
good.
get a Malm in chat?
I'll help you with this part.
All right.
It's
ready?
gonna be
1,
crazy
2,
when you see
3.
this moment.
Ha!
You
Next
see
year
how the
at
physics
PatCon,
have worked in our
Shut up,
favor?
Ava. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my
Yes!
god, you're gonna.
Sit right here, okay, Ava. Okay, you ready for this? We did it, dude! I have a fucking desk.
I'm gonna refund that